Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, your trusted pit stop for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the unexpected yet thrilling return of a true Indian icon, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. Yes, the Ambi is back, and it's been reborn for the modern era without losing its soul. Let's get into everything you need to know. A legacy reimagined. The Hindustan Ambassador has always been more than just a car, it's a symbol of Indian roads, royalty, and rugged reliability. First introduced in 1958, the Ambi remained largely unchanged for decades. But the 2025 model isn't just a nostalgia project. It's a full-blown revival that blends heritage with modern innovation, crafted for today's India. Design, classic lines, modern touches. Visually, the 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ remains faithful to its roots. Its signature round headlights, large chrome grille, and bulbous silhouette are all intact. But subtle updates like LED lighting, sharper character lines, and alloy wheels give it a refined edge. It's retro with a purpose, not just for show, but a statement of timeless design. Under the hood, the 1800 ISZ powertrain. The star of the show is the 1800 ISZ engine, a re-engineered 1.8-liter inline-4 that blends the original ISZ roots with BS 6.2 compliance. Tuned for smooth torque delivery and efficient performance, it puts out around 110 horsepower and 160 Nm of torque. Mated to a 5-speed manual or optional automatic transmission, it offers a relaxed yet responsive drive perfect for both city and highway cruising. Interior, where nostalgia meets comfort. Inside, the Ambassador is unrecognizable in the best way possible. Premium fabric upholstery, a digital analog instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and rear AC vents transform the once Spartan cabin into a refined space. It's still spacious and plush, but now it feels truly 21st century. Safety and features. Safety isn't an afterthought. The new Ambassador comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX mounts. There's also keyless entry, cruise control, and a reversing camera in higher trims. It's built to modern standards, without sacrificing its charm. Pricing and verdict. Expected to launch at a starting price of 9.5 Indian rupees lakhs, ex-showroom, the 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ aims to reclaim its space as a premium, patriotic sedan. It's not about racing, it's about grace, comfort, and character. Closing thoughts. That's the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ, a nostalgic ride redefined. Subscribe to Pro Wheelhouse for more auto insights, and let us know, would you take this modern Ambi home?